Yeah, GSMT, or just right now that happened. We missed it, so whatever. Peter, holy shit, I'm waiting for the GIF, I'm waiting for the GIF. Waiting for the GIF, Peter. Willie, what's good, Willie? How is it going? How is it going? The GIF. This one. Peter's here or whatever. Peter just entered. No, the GIF. Oh shit. You got me. You got me. Alright, let's lock in. Let's lock in. What are we seeing today? We are seeing you're a god. No need. Oh shit. No need. Okay, so what we're looking for, Peter, because you just woke up, you lazy motherfucker. We're looking for a manipulation of this to the upside. That is what we're looking for. 15 seconds. It's got a high. It's got a high for us. The 15 seconds. It's got good trend line liquidity. So we'll see what we see from that. To be honest, see what we see from that. Just zoom in, my boy. There we go. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. How was your guys' weekend? Barcode ass price action? I mean, it's not too bad. It's giving us clear reversal points though, which I'm happy. But yeah, how was everyone's weekend today? Oh yeah, yes as always. Fucking ass. Mm-mm-mm. Um, so on the 28th, I think I've said that already. I'm still gonna be streaming, but I'm gonna be streaming at my girlfriend's place, so it's gonna be a bit different. I won't be speaking as loud. So we'll see. Layash, what's good, Layash? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Hello, handsome. Alright, buddy. I'll meet Layash meet? Shit, I don't even remember. How do we meet Layash? Oh, my girl. We used to work at a grocery store. Thought you were talking about me last night. We used to work at a grocery store, and she was a cashier. I was just bagging stuff, you know. I played my game. You know me, no manipulation of that higher head there. Peter's funny. No manipulation of the high, but if we manipulate the high, we could make an SMT right here, bearish SMT. Tell you more? Shit, I'll tell you more when what was my line? I don't even remember. I just DM'd her on Facebook, and what happened? I DM'd her on Facebook, asked for a snap, left it undelivered for a couple of days, and she told me that's what spiked her curiosity. So yeah, W. We can have a bullish SMT just right here. But yeah, that's how I got her. We could make a bullish SMT right here. Bias is bias Ryan. We're looking for a bounce from there to the upside, most likely. Most likely. And we could be getting an SMT right here on that low. Well, we almost got it, to be fair. We almost got it. It's about to be 9:25 in about 45 seconds. So we could get it right there. Honestly, hopefully we do, because we do not have any setups on the lower time frames whatsoever. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, we do not have any setup on the lower time frame. So that's gonna suck if we don't get it. Well, we do have a small gap. Nothing crazy though. Yeah, nothing happened for 925. That is weird. Nothing happened. Usually we get a spike at 925, but not actually it's not 925. There we go. It is 925. I was like, the fuck? Yeah, we did get a spike to the low, so we did sweep that. We now have an SMT on that low right there. No gaps though. Sold some. I go buy a Shiesty and start trade straight. Dimitri, dude. Fucking Dimitri. Yeah, okay, we have a bullish SMT right here. Let's see what came in said I didn't see. You're full porting this long? You're full porting the long, you're a degen, bro. We have a small gap, like not even a tick or something. Yeah, not even a tick right here. We'll see. But yeah, not even a tick from that right here. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Let's see what Dimitri has to say. Hold on. Oh, Peter. Oh, we got D, we got Bash. We got some people in here. We got some people. What is up, boys? How is it going? How is it going? How is it going? Okay, so right now we're waiting for open, obviously, right? That's what we're waiting for right now. I'm gonna be honest, we're waiting for open. Put that there. Let's see. Yes, sir. Of course, we're waiting for that open to open in about like 3 minutes-ish, I'd say. But we did sweep that. We're seeing a move up right now. A small move up, nothing crazy. We moved like fucking, we're 2 points up right now. Not even. So yeah. But we did manipulate it nicely though. We did manipulate it nicely, nicely, nicely. So I'm liking that, but we'll see. You know, we never know what we can get at open, to be fair. Like to be completely fucking fair, we never, never, never know. But when we see manipulation, and that's when we kind of play our games, if that makes sense. Okay, right here we're about to open in about 2 minutes 30. We will see, we will see, we will see. Hold on. Hey, 8 people in here. What's good, boys? What is good, boys? Okay. What is this fucking candle we just saw? You guys saw that? Holy volume. Just right now. Holy volume, holy volume. Okay. Bro, I had a smoothie. It tasted like carrots today. It scared you? Why did it scare you, bro? You're a pussy or something? Is that what you're telling me? It was big. It looks big, but that's not big. It's not big. It's not even 10 points. It looks big on the 15, but it's not big. Now, for me on the 15 seconds right now, I'm not seeing anything because we're barcoding. We did sweep that high, though. We did sweep that high. Oops, wrong mouse. We did sweep that high. I made an SMT, bearish SMT right here. But to me, it's too barcodey for me to do anything right now with the 925. Lordy, lordy, lord. Yeah, 2-bar Cody. Open in about a minute 15 seconds now. Shit's going down. Let's look at this right here. Not this, sorry. Okay, we're good. Open in a minute. Make America great again. DC get fake crime. Okay, don't care. Alright. Let's see what we see on open. Hopefully we sweep something right here on open. Gives us a good setup or something. Which will be nice, but nothing on the 15 seconds right now. Nothing. Like I'm looking, but there's fucking nothing. Well, there's from 69.44 to 68.78, so that's not even like, that's not even 2 ticks. So what it is, but like not formally. Okay, we just opened. No, it did not open, sorry. That is my computer, that is completely retarded. We're about to open in 9 seconds. Yeah, we're about to open just right now. We will see. And I'm out there for about 400 bucks. Jason Love. This fucking guy. Yeah, I'm out there for 400 bucks, boys. It's literally like I'm making that. Hold on. I'm in my boxers right now. In my boxers. I'm literally in my boxers at 9:30 and 32 seconds. And we're already up like 400 bucks. I have it recorded, Cayman. I have it recorded, so it's gonna be good for you. I'm gonna send this to you. I have it recorded. You'll see the IFVG I was looking at as well. Absolutely something else. Who? Me? You're saying I'm something else, Bash? Or is that what you're saying? Cayman, W's. Cayman, you took that? Yeah, we all took that, bro. Hold on. You didn't take it? Oh, we took that. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Bro, it is 9:30. 9:30 and we took that already, boys. Alright, you on live? What do you mean on live? Well, I'm live right now, and on the MFFU, no, I still need 2 days, bro. But what do you mean by aren't you on live? Okay, so right now, what we're gonna wait for, boys, is we're gonna wait for either a sweep of that trend line liquidity, which is pre-market lows, or London, sorry. I got big balls, bro. I got 3 sets of balls on me. Yeah, it took as soon as market opened because we inversed to 15 seconds. Bash. You know me, Bash. This shit can slip so hard. It does. And when it slips, it's bad. But the reward is big. And when it slips, I get slipped like a point or two. So it does not matter. There you go. TRSSX, I love you. Yeah, you know it. Okay, so we're waiting. We're waiting for all that. What's good, Daniel? Big up TRSSX. Go. You know it, bro. A morning like that is good. Daniel cooked as well. How do you guys feel? Feel about when TRS surrendered before you get? Yeah, life's crazy. And $400 for me is 600, you know. So yeah, with my my rate. So it is crazy. It is crazy, I gotta say. Uh, uh, uh. We're close. Top step. All right, we are bouncing. How much you made, Daniel? See, Daniel? All strategies are the same. Yes, sir. Let's focus. Let's focus. Live and let life. Yeah. I mean, that's good for the Instagram. You know, it's 9:30. Already posted a story about banking. Almost bottom ticked. Good shit. Good shit. All right. Let's lock in, boys. Let's lock in. We could be seeing a session SMT right here. We're going to be careful, though. I am going to be doing my DCA roll here, right here, boys. I almost forgot. I also forgot that I was not buying on Mondays on my other account. Okay, it's looking. Those TRX special are not made for me. They're not made for you. Lord. Hold on, let me just buy that real fast. Fuck, I need to add some money. How am I gonna do this? Okay, we have swept that high. Damn, boys, I'm not prepared. I'm fucking cooked here. Okay, we've swept that high. We've swept these 2 highs. Swept these highs right here. I'm looking, don't worry. I'm just transferring some shit right now, but I'm looking. We swept these highs. Have we swept the pre-market highs? We've swept every pre-market high that there is, but we're gonna wait for London high. We're gonna wait for London high. We're waiting. We're patient. We were patient on open. We saw that some rejection on the 15 seconds, and that was about it. me stop recording that. Where? Oh, sorry. Yes, where's London at? London long is at 8:55 Cayman. 8:55s. Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. I'm just gonna transfer from my checking to my TFSA. How smart am I? Uh, 135. There we go. Shits in the mornings are the best. Yeah, bro, I need to right now. I need to. I'm not gonna lie, but kind of cook. Okay, we're locked in. We're waiting for 8:55 to hit. I just went before open, bro. You can never go before open. What if you miss something? It's really you can't. What if you miss something? Trade, buy, stocks. 123. All right, boys. DCA is done. We're ready. S&P's pumping, so I'm guessing VO is going up. VO and Nvidia are both going up, actually. Bro, it feels so retarded to just buy all-time high, but sometimes you just gotta do your thing. You know? What we're gonna look for is, again, we're gonna look for something clear. We could be seeing a sweep of this right here. We have first presented right there. So honestly, not the type of play I do, but we could long from that, to be honest. Actually, never mind. We have the 50% zone right here. 50% is at, for Cayman, 50% is at, yeah, well, it's rejecting the 50%. We could inverse that person first presented gap. Sorry. But we'll see. I'm still gonna wait for what I wait for usually, boys. I'm not gonna play it dumb here. I'm just gonna wait for what it is. I don't wanna risk it for the biscuit. Sorry. Hey, we're up $6 on the portfolio today. Let's go, boys. We're rich from that. We're rich for sure. Yeah, we're rich. The song's so good, bro. Is it all? Is rejecting the gap? It looks like. Well, right now, okay, man. What you're doing is you're over-analyzing. You need to wait for. What you need to do right now is you need to look. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm further from my mic. I have my hands crossed, and I'm waiting for the next move. Which the next move is gonna be these highs right there, or that low at the bottom. I mean, I wouldn't mind the pre-market lows, to be honest. Yeah, exactly, Peter. That's what we do. We just chill. We just wait. Sit on our ends. Be water. Fuck does that mean? But yeah, we're just chilling and waiting right now. Bro, my portfolio, I gotta be honest, it hasn't moved in 4 days. Like it's been stale. At least dump or something. I don't care. Do something. What's good, Peter? How's it going? Bro, Peter's a chat. I would not take this, bro. I don't trade that. Logs. Those good logs. Was good, Ryan. Actually, okay, we got Grumpy, we got Lyosh, we got Cayman, we got D, we got Bash, we got SN, we got Daniel, we got Logs, Peter, Will, and Ryan. What is good? Yeah, not Peter. I would not take this. I mean, you could try, but I would not take this. I'll wait for my shit. Oh, what happened right there? There we go. We're locked out of the top step. I mean, I know you're special. You know, it's not a bad draw for your special, but for me, hell no. Double stage. What is SMT? An SMT, then another SMT. All right. But you know, at the end of the day, every every strategy works as long as you got the edge. If you can manage the edge, like if you can manage my edge, most of the morning I will catch these longs or shorts. You know, if you can manage that edge, please. I mean, same Daniel. My backtesting win rate's 83%. You know, with break-evens is 66 though. I'm gonna be honest. With break-even is 66. Like just before that long, I took a break-even. And K-Man, you'll see the break-even, by the way. Into quarters. Okay, so you know what that is, Peter, then. You hate it? Yeah, you probably do. Bro, Daniel, I don't need the sauce because I got my edge that's working for me, you know. But explain it to me. Explain it to me when we play War Thunder. I'll be down tomorrow. Wait, Daniel, weren't you in school? Okay, right now we're seeing nothing. That's why we're not locked in on the chart, boys. We're just seeing nothing. There's no point in over trading, over analyzing. We may see a big SMT right here. They sent you home. They don't allow ugly people at school. Is that what you're telling me? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. W Daniel though. Uh, you just sniped a long. Jesus Christ, here, degen. Bro, longs has got to be the biggest degen here. They said you. But yeah, we could be getting a good SMT right here. If we go there, we could be getting a good SMT right there. Like I wouldn't mind that SMT at the top right here. You're up like 200? Bro, it's shitting right now. Stop texting and get the fuck out of that trade. What's up with TJR? Bro, he's a real one. He's a bro, TJR reposted one of my clips. And bro, I got so many fucking views. It's insane. 5-minute inversion. It could play out. It could play out, honestly, to these lows right here, but you gotta see. Yeah, it could play out. It could play out. I'm not gonna take this, but it could play out for sure. But yeah, bro. Bash, we're not talking about race here, alright? We're having fun. Yeah, the 5-minute inverse could play out. Right, here we are about to sweep session lows. We made a bullish. You're done. Hey boys, I just sniped along. I'm up 200. Next message. Hey, I'm down 5. Jesus Christ. Yo, let's all add some sad reactions to this shit. We got D in here. I'm happy D woke up. Like WD. Okay, we have a bullish SMT on that low. I'm not liking the bullish SMT. We still have way too much resting liquidity right here and right here. 5 cents, bro. You're up 5 cents more than your neighbor. Just think about that, about it that way. I know it's important to compare yourself with yourself, but for you to advance, you gotta say, okay, I'm doing something better than me yesterday and my neighbor. You know, that's just how I see it personally. I know it's super bad to think like that, but that's how I see it, to be honest. I mean, yeah. Oh Lord, this dump just hit me hard, I'm not gonna lie. And now my chart's all fucked. We may have to do this right here. Yeah, we may have to do this. My chart's just fucked. Okay, we're good. Are we? We're not. Let me see. So 1 minute. So 1 minute. All right, we're good. We're good. So yeah, we have a bullish SMT on that session low. No IFVG right here. Let me look at the lower time frames. I did say I don't like the lower time frames at this area, but I would go up to the 30 seconds, not lower. We have a gap on the 30 seconds, closing at 797. Well, it's 20 points from closing, by the way, but you get what I mean. I'm really happy with that long and open, though. K-Man, I'm happy you noticed it as well, and you analyze it, you know what I mean? You need to execute, though. Can't be a pussy. But I'm happy Daniel cooked though. I'm really happy because yeah, I mean, my model, yeah, no English, bro. I can't speak English. My model's good, but it does not present itself every day, like most of the day, but not every day. And for you to notice it every day, you gotta. Bro, I really sound like a douche right now, but you gotta look at it every day. You gotta have some market experience. I really don't want to sound like that guy. It's really bad. But anyways, we could be making that SMT on that high right here. But that bearish SMT is good. You long that, Daniel? Analyzed. Here we go. There we go. Hey, 11 people in here. I'm happy. I may be doing some more TikTok lives during the PMs, like almost every PM. All right, we're about to make that bearish SMT. Where's DV, by the way? DV misses everything, bro. Like, he's my buddy from real life. Love that guy, but he misses everything. Where is he? Let's all tag DV. Maybe it worked, though. No, not that one. DV. This dude that doesn't have the inner circle. Is he French as well? Yeah, he's French as well. Where's Zach, by the way? Where the fuck is talking about French? Where's Zach? The fuck? He probably fell back asleep, dude. He went on the mountains last he went on the mountains during the weekend. Probably didn't sleep too much. Okay, we have that bearish SMT. We have no gap. We have no gap right here. No gap on the 30 seconds. Is Will, you still there? 15 seconds looking atrocious. Holy fuck. Willie, yeah, Will's still there. Accumulation day, I'm telling you. I mean, it is no news Monday. Sorry. I'm really sorry about that. That was really unprofessional. I really apologize. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Daniel, I'm learning from you. You're back? It's good. It's good, D. Wait, no, Daniel's not in the state. Did you clog it? Yeah, it's clogged. Well, yeah, I mean, I did take that fucking long right there, bottom ticked it. Bro, Daniel, we're going there right now. Trust me. What's good? What's good, Torgor? What's good, Torgor? How's it going? What's good, Ryan? Orion with an R and with not an A. I reset my eval. That was 2.6K in profit by accident. Bro, how can you never win? Alright, Peter. Bring your phone, Peter. Bring your phone. Nothing on the market. I'm looking at the market. Wait, who? The second motherfucker took a long during. Oh, bro. A hoodie. I do this every day. Okay, hold on. Let's lock in. We have a good move. We have an inversion of the 30 seconds. I'm not gonna take that because that is risky as fuck. 30 seconds at 9:48. But we do have an inversion right here. I'm not gonna take that. This is too risky for the 30 seconds. Plus, we have a bearish SMT, so I am not gonna take that, boys. But if you take that, TP's right there. But I am not taking this. If it hits, I'm gonna be pissed. But I'm not taking this. Yeah, if it hits, I'm gonna just tell you guys, oh, I was in. I'm just kidding. There's some people that do that. Oh, Lord. RR would suck, yeah. But that would be for my MFFU, so it would be different for me. It would be different. I need 17 points anyway. This wouldn't be enough for me to take. Where would my SL even be? At my $75. Yeah, Daniel, we took the same trade. Good shit, good shit. 2 point stop loss, jeez. Okay, good on us for not taking that. They're really good on us. Actually, good on me for not FOMOing into that. I'm happy about that. Because as you guys know, I am 2 days away from being from a live account, and sometimes it's just like, oh, this could be good. It's only 17 points that I need, and then I get cooked, you know. Well, I get cooked. I mean, like loss of like fucking $20, but still, it's annoying. for London high on ES, it's gonna be at 479.75. So really happy we did not take that right there. Will, are you there, Will? Will hasn't spoken yet. Let me give you the levels. Okay, man. So we have London high. Oh, good, good, good. We have London high at 479.75 on ES, right? We have Asia high at 484 flat, 484.25, sorry. And we have New York PM high at 485.5. All right, I'm gonna give you some times. And then we have New York AM high at 498 flat, right? And then for the downside, we don't care about the downside. Yeah, we don't care about the downside. Well, yeah, no, we don't care about the downside. We do not care about the downside. There's nothing to the downside. But to the upside, that's that. Okay, market shitting right now. We have a bullish SMT on the session lows, current session lows. Take that. You're gonna take what? Okay, we could be sweeping that right here. Could be sweeping all of this right here. Could be sweeping all of this right there, which is pre-market lows. You know, we swept pre-market highs. We're shitting. Wait, was there a 30-second low? Oh shit, it was nice. But what was the teller here apart from that? Well, I guess there was that SMT. Yeah. Oh, bad dump. Holy shit. Okay, if we can sweep session right here with that low right there at the same time as this, hell yeah. Give it to us. No sweep, no sweep, no sweep. We're like literally 4 points away. Come on. How many points was that? That was 2 points right there. Not even, that was a point. That was 2 points. We went 2 points away from it. A bit far, if I say so. Just remove that. Alt shift to measure. Nah, I just can't count, bro. Okay, we got it. We got that low. It's pre-market lows. Well, I mean, we still have that one, but these are the main ones. Pre-market lows. We did not sweep that though. We'll see if we get a good reaction. Let's look at the higher time frames. 2 minutes, fuck no. 3 minutes, no. Jesus Christ, that's 20 points from entry right there. Look at the lower. Okay, so all possible entries are 20 points from now. All possible entries are there. Well, no, when you were gone, no, we did not take anything. So all possible entries are here on all time frames. 2 minutes, even higher. Well, yeah, there's a possible entry right here at 770. It's super far though, and we still have that fair value gap right there. It's a good break-even point though. We'll see. We'll see what we get from that. Yeah, but we did sweep pre-market lows and made equals with the low right here on session low. It is 9:43. News in 6 minutes ish. Not a big news though. Fuck. Okay, so we'll see. Let me look at Vol. Vol's kind of plummeting right now. Nvidia doing nothing. If we bounce from that and we keep logs, you should wait. If we bounce from that and we keep going down, I think it's cooked. We'll see. We'll see though. What's there? What's below? Let me see. Hold on, boys. Okay, we only have that low right there below that we were talking about. So if we bounce from that, rips Ripsy, ripsy, rips. What do you guys think? Volatility is insane though. From bottom to here, that's like 20 points. Insane volatility right now. Let me look at the VIX real fast. VIX is going to be the volatility index. If the VIX is high, you want to be careful. It's not high right now, but it's not low. Thank you. Okay, let me go back on the VIX right here, but on ES. And stay locked in on this. If you look at the VIX, right? It is low, but it is not that low, right? When you get to like these right here, that's when Trump was speaking tariff. That's high. Probably going to continue down. Is that what your trendline liquidity tells me? I'm just kidding. Yeah, we got ES right here. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. Choppy right now. We have news in 5 minutes. News in 5 minutes, boys. Let's see what we get from that. I don't think we're gonna get anything from these news, though, to be honest. Just because it's a yellow folder, and I don't remember even seeing that ever. I mean, I most likely did, just did not take it into consideration at all. Choppy. So yeah, we did have that 30-second here that I did miss, but again, 30 seconds at 9:48. Not too sure. Not too sure. Not too sure. Anyone else took anything right now? He says, I think, bro. Grumpy. This I think is worse than these I don't know though. It's the same thing. I don't know though. You took something, D? Let us see. Let us see. Did you win? Did you lose? What did you take? Let us know, bro. Me think? Wait, me think. Oh shit, Torgor. I haven't even short off orbs. Fuck's that? You cooked or not? Did D cooked? That's what we want to know. And did you actually take the trade? Up 60. Open range breakout. Jeez, yeah, the thing is, with me is, I know mostly my strategy, because I just haven't never learned anything else, to be honest, because I don't need it. I do think less is more. On the 15 minutes, okay, so it's like, yeah, I tried, okay, I know what you're talking about. I tried it when I first started trading. I was looking at hold on, Daniel, I'm gonna get you on stage after that. After if we get something here. I did try it on the NQX, NQD. Whenever I first started trading, I was like, oh my god, shit worked. Then I tried it and well, didn't work. Okay, this inversion is cooked right here. Yeah, it's cooked right here. You are cooking? Yeah, Daniel, I'm gonna get you in a bit. All right, we're gonna wait until like. Okay, so we're gonna do a thing. I'm gonna get people in at 10:20 when market starts to get super shitty. That's what we're gonna do. Before that, I'm gonna stay on the stage. Peter special. How much you made? How much you made? Yeah, from 10:20, I will start getting people on stage. How much you made, Peter? Ah, you made 78. I mean, bro. Yet another green day in your books. Yet another green day. Bro can never lose, bro. Peter can't lose. It's facts at this point. One micro, then as it came down, I added one more. Bro, you made 70 bucks with two micros. I mean, fuck, you're doing your thing, bro. Things working. All right, so let's see if we have anything on the 2 minute. Yeah, previous day low, which was right here. Okay, yes, we did sweep previous day low right now. You're correct on that. Bullish candle. Peter special breakdown. Holy shit. I mean, we could be seeing a reversal here if fucking worked. Jesus Christ. You guys are insane. Thorgor, you took anything? Lyosh, anything? Willie, anything? You got edged? Yo, rip. Bro got edged. Okay, so we did sweep previous day low right here. Are you seeing any trades? I am not right now. I'm not seeing any trades. And whenever I see a trades, I will be like, okay, I'm seeing this right here. I had this right here, but just did not end up going. Wait, Bitcoin. Did Bitcoin just dip right now? Okay, holy momentum right here. What is this? Love this song as well. Fire song. All right. Okay, we had a lot of momentum right here. This shit was insane. Not gonna lie. Let's see. Maybe Chom. I think it was that news. That one news right here. NBA housing or something. It must have been that, to be fair. I don't know how to long this. What would you long? What would you long here, my boy? This like has 2 minute, 1 minute inverse. Wait, let's see. Let's see. How would you do it? Like long in this? No. No. We wait for it. Like, I'm waiting for this right here, to be fair. To be completely fair. You fucking love me? Everyone loves TRSSX. Come on now. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't want to be that guy. Don't want to be that guy. I mean, maybe I do. Who knows? All right, let's see. I want to see this inverse right here. I wouldn't mind it, to be honest. Like if I'm being completely fair. Nice bullish momentum though. Yeah, there's a nice bullish momentum here, I gotta say. Like we gotta be honest with ourselves. There's some nice bullish momentum. All right. Hoodie. What did Hoodie send? We gotta be. This glazing is crazy. Come on now. Come on. What are you saying? There's no glazing here. What do you mean? No glazing is happening. No glazing at all. Nobody's glazing no one. Come on. All right. Let's see what's truly. What do you mean truly? There's no glazing happening anywhere. Nobody's glazing no one. Come on. All right, we want to see that inverse right here. I wouldn't mind it. Although we might sweep some highs right here, which would suck. But I wouldn't mind seeing it. We'll see though. We'll see. Bullish momentum. Yeah, there's nice bullish momentum, but there's also like nice. It's kind of choppy. That's all I'm gonna say. It's kind of choppy. But there is some nice momentum. We'll see. We might sweep that high. We may make a bearish SMT on the high as well, which would kind of suck, to be honest. Well, honestly, it would suck. Not like that. You don't like it? If D doesn't like it, we don't do anything. You got edged and B. Rip. Rip to you, my guy. Hello, rips, to be honest. Okay, the bullish momentum is insane here. We got to be careful if we take the. Let me just see if we take the VE right here. Okay, we did take the VE. This is going to be a risky play. If we come down, you could try, but it's going to be a risky play. Risky play. Because look, the inversion's right here. I'd rather wait for the 2 minute. I'd rather wait for the 2 minute. If I'm being honest, I'd rather wait for the 2 minute right here. I would rather wait for the 2 minute. I'd rather wait for the 2 minute, boys. Because we've hit the BE point on the 1 minute. We've hit the BE point on the 1 minute. I'd rather wait for the 2. Even though this could hit, I'd rather wait for the 2. Daniel's cooking. I'd rather wait for the 2 right here. We'd be up 5 points right now if you were in, by the way. But I'd rather wait for the 2. Just target R2. So that's underfunded, right, Daniel? BE right there, yeah. If this inverse is right here, BE is going to be at the internal high right there. It's going to be a 15-point BE, which is not going to be bad. Now we wait. We're patient. Gotta be patient, especially with this model. I don't want hit to fail, but I also don't want you guys missing a setup because of me. You get me? A second here. Okay, it's all right. Okay, right now back to entry. Back to entry. So if you're trying to test your luck, I wouldn't, but you could. Back to entry right here. Not well, the entry was right there on the 1 minute. The BE was right here. So we're back to entry. If you feel like you've missed out on that one, you can try it. I am not, but you can try it. Like I'm just saying as you can. I'm not giving you a setup right there. Hold on. So we went back to entry. So if you feel like you missed out, do your thing. I am just not gonna take that. Wait for this 2 minute to inverse and we'll see. Stock portfolio is going up though. I'm happy. So a minute 30 until we close right here. Anyone else took anything today? Revenge trading? Yeah. Nothing. You're revenge trading, Daniel? Like actually? Like you took a loss on that trade? Greenville, fuck is this? Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Glad we did not take that one. That 1 minute one, by the way. It's just low fucking probability because of the break even being taken on the one. Like, there's nothing more enrageous than entering a trade. Like, if we had entered right here and just chopping for fucking 5 minutes. Nothing more outrageous and annoying. 33 seconds until it close right here. On the 2 minute. There's an SMT within the fair value gap on ES. Yeah, the 2 minute bet, Peter. Exactly right here. Switch my song real fast though. Okay, see, 8 seconds. Volume's picking up. Don't chase right now. Alright, buddy. Come on. So gay. No close. Yeah, no close, unfortunately. No close on the 2 minute. No close, no chasing. You gotta follow your fucking model, dude. Or your rules. I'd rather miss out than chase and get a lucky win, and then the next day I come back super confident, thinking, oh, I'm the shit. I just cooked the market, but I got lucky, you know. I'd rather be patient with my shit than be lucky and then having my confidence super high up and then fucking get cooked the next day. The market slaps you in the face every morning and you gotta say thank you and walk away. Yep. Hey, that's a demo trade. That's a demo trade. Alright, gladly we did not long that. Gladly we did not take that 1 minute either. This comes down to market to time screen time. It comes down to screen. I called you out. It comes down to screen time right here. Really happy. Comes down to screen time. Tell me if you guys can't hear me. I'm gonna open Discord on my phone. Tell me if you guys can still hear me. Where's Wizard, man? Gotta talk to Wizard. Okay. Revenge trading, bro. Bet you won't. 4 minute short. What do you think? Okay, 4 minute short. Let's lock in on the 4 minute short. Let's see. Well, we don't have any SMTs on sessions. Where's my? Okay. We don't have any SMTs. We don't have any sweeps. Peter, you can do your special right here. I feel like this is a Peter special more than anything else. Um, I mean, fuck, bro. What are we reversing from, right? We're gambling if we short that. Here's my thing. You'll never miss a lucky day. But here's my thing. If I don't remember what I was about to say. Damn. I don't remember what I was about to say. I don't remember what I was about to say. No, we're not shorting. Oh yeah, here's my thing. See I'd rather sit on my hands. I said that just right now, but I'd rather sit on my hands and see a setup run without me than not sit on my hand, catch a good setup, catch a setup and make money with it, but not following my rules, if that makes sense. I'd rather sit on my hands and miss it than not following my rules. Super important because look, if you're a gambler, right, you're sober 10 years and you go back to gambling, you did not follow your rules and you're going to fall back into that pit. So if you don't follow your rule once on trading and be like, oh, it's all right, I can do it again and again and again and again and again, and it's just a snowball effect. That's what happened to me. That's what I've noticed. I'm not a gambler. I've never been a gambler, but that's what I've noticed happen with me when I used to broke my rules. I used to just be like, it's only one day, one time. It does not matter. It's only one day, one time. It's okay. Doesn't matter, right? And that's what happened to me. Now, Peter, if this follows your rules, you go. But me doesn't. Wait till 11. Damn, you guys trading at 11, bro. Everyone's up mostly today, apart from Will, D, K-Man, and Lyosh because he doesn't trade. But everyone's up today. 10 to 11 trading times. Fuck, you shall. I mean, trading the 930 open limit is kind of wicked. Yeah, but that's my edge, you know. And K-Man's kind of learning it quick, to be honest. We backtested together and shit went well. Okay, no close on the 4 minute, Peter. You know, every time I get out of my room, my brother says, "So, how'd it go, you fucking gambler?" And every morning, I banked, I banked, I banked, I banked, you know? They call me a gambler, but I'm not. It's just my edge. Mm-mm-mm. But I do get what you guys where you guys are coming from because again I get out of my room and my brother's just you're a gambler, all right? But I banked. Is this a racist remark? All right, let's lock in a bit here. We're still waiting. Okay, at this time, right? We're not gonna get a move up right there. We're gonna wait for these right here to be hit. Preferably this one because we would be oops. It would be nice, right? If we go there. So I would like that. Damn, Daniel's racist confirmed. Holy shit. Holy shit, Daniel. Daniel, you're getting canceled. You're getting canceled. You're going to the gulag. You're getting canceled. Absolutely canceled. Absolutely canceled. I'm just kidding. Okay, so choppy again. Choppy is gonna be choppy right now. For the normal IFVG, as of now, we had a potential setup, but we did not get it. As for the 930, was good. But yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait. We'll be patient. I'm happy as well. I kind of top ticked it, but anyways, um, Torgor still in here? Is Battlefield 6 downloaded? Watch. You're a nerd, Odie. Downward trend line. By the way, Hoodie may seems like a dummy because he says he's gonna trade and he never trades, but he's good at trading. I don't know why he's not doing it. You, you, yes, you, bro. First time yeah, no, I know, but first time I met Hoodie, right? He was my 100th member in the in the Discord, and like maybe second to third day, I had a challenge on My Funded Future. It was like a competition account. I swear, bro. I had a competition account, and I said, all right, it's Friday. You boys are trading my accounts. No, the first one was a literal baby. A literal baby was the first one. Bash. Let's see when Bash joined. Bash joined February 13. Fairly, and a literal baby joined January 1st. Now, January 1st is when I said, you know what? This year is my year. I'm building this thing. Actually, there was like, no, Bash, you joined, it was probably like 20 to 25. Oh, your birthday's on February or Jesus Christ, or January. I just I'm still looking at the market. Nothing, by the way. I'm gonna talk. Who else? SN's probably around the same area as well. January 1st, SN as well. Who else in here? Who else in here? Will's not OG, but Will's been there. May, yeah, no, Will, fuck you, Will. Who else is OG? Who else? Demon, holy shit. Demon. January 13th. That's before I got banned from Reddit. No, but Chef James was I'm just tagging them to see, but James was fairly OG as well, probably like more March. You know, February 23rd. Yo, I love James. James super chill. He's annoying sometimes, but he's super chill. I Nothing in the market right now. Yeah, James chill as fuck, dude. Clipped. Yeah, we fight sometimes. James like a sister or a brother. We just fucking fight for random shit. But I love that guy, dude. Super chill. Mm-mm. Going long on eval and short on funded, bro. You should this fucking guy. Okay, let me look at the market. Bitcoin's dropping. Bitcoin 115K. Nvidia's still going up a bit. Vo's still going up a bit. That's Meta. Meta's what's holding the market down right here. Meta's dropping hard. hard. That's what's kind of holding. So yeah, what's dropping the market right now is going to be Meta. Meta's down about 3%, and Amazon's down about 0.6%, and the rest is pretty much flat. We got AVGO, that's also down almost 2%. So Meta and AVGO, two big companies within the Nasdaq, are holding the price down right now. That's what's holding the price for going up, to be honest. Because Nvidia's up 1%, Apple's down 0.1, 0.3 for Microsoft. You know, it comes down to Meta right now and AVGO. Maybe Palantir and Oracle as well. 1.4 on Oracle and 2.02 on Palantir. I mean, Palantir is due for a dump, to be honest, because Palantir had good earnings and Palantir just pumped, to be honest. It just pumped way too hard for what it's worth. I mean, you can. Where we at? Well, we're looking for the high of the session. We're looking for the high of the session. Oops. We are waiting for the high of that session, my boy. But yeah, look, Palantir just had good earnings. Earnings were way too good, and then now it's just shitting. So it's a good buy right now, to be honest. If I had to buy, I'd wait till 165-ish, but it's not a bad buy. Palantir's gonna be there always. I'm gonna stick to my yeah, hold on. We're locked in with trading though. We're talking trading. My two inverse, yeah, it's coming, but it's been too choppy ever since then, if that makes sense. What's good, Daniel? Like I would have liked us to just go up straight from there. Like now we can kind of pull back, bounce into that fair value gap. Yes, we could be inversing this. It could be good, not something I personally look for. I look for a V shape, right? Not something I personally look for. It doesn't mean it's not gonna hit, but I do look for a V shape. I'm really vocal about this. I need my A plus. I don't give a fuck if I see a setup. I'm not taking that. You know, it's just to me, gotta be, it's gotta be something that I like, something that I'm sure is gonna hit, because I'm not taking any dumb shit. Okay, Daniel, your turn. You only believe in yourself, Peter. That's what you should do. Believe in yourself and never look back. Can't hear you, Daniel. We can't hear you. You need to plug in your mic. Yeah. But good live stream right now. We've had some knowledge. Yeah, Daniel, bro, plug in your mic. K-Man said, Daniel, you're having the same problem, the same mic problem. I did not watch. I did watch. I didn't watch the UFC completely, but I did watch someone do some commentary on it, and dude, shit was funny because he was pissed because Khamzat was winning, dude. Bro, he got mauled, literally. Daniel, you need a new mic, I think. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute SMT at the highs. Let's see. There's a possible, unless you're talking about these ones, there's not yet, but there is going to be one. There is an SMT right now, bearish SMT right here. We have a bearish SMT. Now, that's over analyzing, but we have a bearish SMT right here. Bearish SMT is gone. Okay, the bearish SMT is gone. Let me look at the stocks real fast. Vo and NVIDIAs are pumping. Vo controls ES and NVIDIA controls NQ completely. There's a 2-minute inverse. Yes, there is. The 2-minute could be inversing right here. Well, in a minute now. Wait, did we just close? Yeah, okay. I mean, if you chase, the break even is going to be right there, but if you chase, you're degen. But if you chase, break even is going to be right there. There's one thing about IFVG that I don't like, and it's that sometimes you miss setups because of this. This is not an A+, but sometimes you miss A+ because it just moons and just goes straight to the top, which is super annoying. But if you chase, your break even is going to be right there. What high is this right here? This is going to be session high for ES, by the way. Almost. Yeah, if you chase, break even is right there. Sketchy chase though, I gotta say. What needs to be planned? Yeah, Daniel, I think your mic is cooked. It's fixed. So if you chase this, it's probably gonna be a loss. Yeah, you did fix it though. Wait, Bash, are you close to are you guys actually close to each other? You guys are not close? Oh. Who's singing on the stage? It's boring jokes. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, if you chase, you're gonna go break even pretty soon, or 5 points away from your break even if you chased. Peter, did you chase that, Peter? I want your address. Did Peter chase that? You didn't? You did not do a Peter special on that one? Damn. Yeah, go break even here. If you're in that, go break even. I'm not gonna act like I completely called this one out right here, but if you're in, go break even right here and take your profits right there. But I'm not gonna act like I fucking called it out. That's just untrue. Go get out right there. Yeah, we know. Yes, we could be expecting a reversal. We could be expecting a reversal, but the A+ is going to be right here and right here. But we could be expecting a reversal right here. If we get to play, we get to play. If we keep going and going and going, if it keeps going and going and going, we're not gonna look for a short. But like, let's say it goes up to here, we're not gonna look for a short on that IFVG, if that makes sense, because that's literally 30 points, 35 points, 36 points from entry, if that makes sense, right? So the thing is, we'll talk about that. But if let's say we go there and the entry's right here, we're not shorting this. We're not shorting this. If we're right here and the entry's right here, completely fine. We are in a 1 hour. We are in an hourly. We are in an hourly. It was the CE hit of the hourly. C was not hit of the hourly. But again, we still have London High. I have to agree right here with Daniel. We have the London High still. Let me see. Any session sweep on? We did sweep sessions on NVIDIA. Meta's still going down. Bitcoin's going up though. But we did hit session on NVIDIA. So what we're waiting for, we could be getting the inverse right here. We still have London High though. Like, it's hard to bet against London High. SN. SN, do you have any what's it called? Any news for us on the fundamental side? 6 wars in 6 months, one of them possible nuclear disaster. Yeah, been saying that for 25 years. Nothing but okay. Okay, right now, man, I do not like this right here. It's the same thing as we might have seen right here. It's really important to look for the A plus. I mean, on eval you can test your luck on eval, but really important to look for the A plus on fundeds, live accounts, and all of that. Peter, are you looking for something, Peter? Sounds like Emmy. Man, all my Omis hate Hemi. No, I love Hemi. Hemi's super chill. Down to earth guy. Bro, I I looked so dumb yesterday because he reposted my reels on his story. And I thought he had screen recorded it to not tag me, so I was like, bro, you're deleting that right now. But I just couldn't click the link, but I just looked so fucking dumb, dude. It was insane. All right. Let's see if we get that inversion right here. There's no good BE points though, but let's see if we get the inversion. Swap some good high, delivering right there as well. I'm still looking on my other screen, by the way, at the 1 minute. Bouncing from a 15. Yeah, we could inverse that one right there. We could inverse that one. Holy shit. Okay, we're literally, fuck, dude, we're literally 15 points from N3. That's annoying. BE's been taken as well. Oh, I'm about to flip, dude. I'm about to flip. This is not a good entry. The entry was right there. We're literally 20 points from N3. That is annoying. And shut up. It can't be worse than on the phone though. N3. Entry. Whenever there's a T and an R, 1, 2, 3, I can't. What other words start with? Yeah, okay, man, this sucks. It does sucks. It's unfortunate. 4 minute short. Let's look at the 4 minute short though. We could look at okay, yes, Peter. I see that, Peter. I see this one. I like it. Look at the 2. 2 minute is yeah, the 2 minute right here. Three minute inverse. 3-minute inversed. The 3-minute did inverse. So if you're in on the 3-minute right there, go break even. If you're in on the 3-minute from there, go break even right here. Go break even. If you're in that 3-minute, go break even. Literally, we run 15 points to 20 points. We run from N3, we ran like 20, 25 points. Could be a break even though, but it's going to be a safe break even. But okay, break even, most likely. Not yet, not yet. It's going to be a break even though, for sure. Yeah, break even trade right there. Good break even though. The break even was on that internal low. So good break even. You took an L, rip. If it keeps shitting right there and just stops us out, break even, rip. But yeah, that was a good break even. Peter, good looks on that. Good looks on that. We caught it just in time as well. So good looks on that. Now let's look at the 4. 4 could still inverse. You took an L, SN? Double stage your ass out of the stage. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, 4-minute could still inverse, but the BE has been taken. Really unfortunate day right here. Bro, SN needs to switch to future, but realistically, SN is profitable trading Forex. Forex. You see, when there's an R, I just can't. SN is profitable trading Forex. Yeah, PA is tough today. I mean, it's not bad. It's just not giving us the entry that we want. It is a Monday with no news. I like it, but yeah, really unfortunate with that 1 minute. Honestly, if it had closed right there, holy W's. Holy shit, with heavy partials right there. But would have been a good 1 minute shorts. Even the 2 minute right there, just unfortunate did not give us an entry. It happens. You gotta sit on your hands sometimes. It's whatever. W 3 minutes though, Peter. W 3 minutes with that perfect close right there and the break even as well. So I'm happy about that. Now that was a real call out. And Peter helped me. Daniel's too confident right now. All right, let's see if we can find something else. Or again, we're gonna wait for the sessions right there, but let's see if we can find something else. That was Peter. I'm really you cooked on that one. You cooked on that one, Peter. I'm not gonna lie, you cooked. Cooked hard. Yeah, you cooked. Hold on, I have news about you're woke as fuck, bro. You're old as hell. You're not woke. Okay, US affordability, monitor the R's, bro. The R's are hard. August 18th. Gap between actual median household income and shut up. Okay, gap between actual median household income and qualifying. I'm still looking at the market, by the way. Qualified income at Atlanta Fed Home Affordability Monitor showing that the divergence of home price to income. Too late, Powell. So what do you think about this, SN? Bro, 130K for a house is nothing. Oh, that's qualified income. Sorry. Yeah, yeah, that's cooked. That's cooked. That it. Yeah, you need like 127K to to potentially buy a house. Like who offers 127K? That's literally like almost 200K Canadian. There's literally no job that offers that. What's good, Peter? What's up? What's up, my boy? Ryan, welcome back. I know about that stuff, you don't? I mean, bro, 200K for a house minimum. It's crazy. Bro, I had a dream that I was paying a course 30K. I woke up and looked at all of my bank accounts and bro, I woke up in sweat. Turn your opening trade into a model, package that shit and sell it. I mean, I could. Because this thing is OP and it happens almost every day. And when it doesn't happen, you know when you get out for like a $20 loss. When it doesn't happen, you just know. I am working on rebranding the VIP videos though. To make it better, to make it structure, so you guys can actually follow the model. Cause like right now it's a bit all over the place, I gotta say. And I gotta be honest. Like I'm real with you and I'm real with myself, if that makes sense. Yes, you do. You actually do. You a monster. You know what else? I'm just kidding. All right, let's lock in. We could be getting a sweep somewhere right here. We are literally in a 50-point range, 30 to 50-point range on both sides, so it could really happen. Yeah, BA is in the same zone. We're in literally a 90 points range between the two. So there's literally 45 points down, 45 points up. So it's really possible we still get something today. Normally, when price just goes up, but this is good PA for IFVG. Just unfortunate fucking outcomes. That 2 minute was not good, was not A plus at all, but it did hit, and that 1 minute right here, well, we did not get an entry. So really unfortunate, and perfect heavy partial as well, then completely reversed. So it's just unfortunate, to be honest. So I'd really like us to go down here though. I want us to go down because there's nothing else to sweep down there, right? So we go down, we sweep that session, and then we go back up. If we sweep that right here, we still have this right here. We still have this right here, which is sketchy. But looking at the downside, we have nothing, literally nothing. We have these equals right there, and that's about it, right? I mean, we still have that and that, but it's like fucking 300 points lower. So I would rather us go down there and just do our thing, if that makes sense. Let me put some Mad Kid on. This dude's so fire. Typiczna sytuacja. This song is fire. Don't know what it means, but it's fire. But yeah, I'd rather us go down there to these equal lows that we have made on the 15-minute right there. You can see. Go to the equal lows, which is also a low of day and a session low. I think that would be A plus for reversal. So we'll see. We'll see. But that's what I hope we get right now. ES is going up though. ES is going up. Let me look at the stocks. Meta. Yeah, I was not looking at the right. I'm super retarded. Meta has dumped, but it is now recovering. That is super slow of me. Holy fuck. I was literally, this is gonna sound super stupid and I'm putting myself out there, but I was literally just looking at that right here for the whole fucking morning. I was like, bro, this thing's going down, but it's right there. That is super slow of me. Holy shit. So yeah, we're waiting for that low right there. That's what we're waiting for. We're gonna be patient, and I will be sending you that 925. K-Man, you will also see where I took a break even. It's on the same IFVG, but you'll see. Well, hey, I'm gonna break my monitor. I swear, I swear. I'm sure this dude's from where I'm from. Yeah. Do I sound like XQC sometimes? No, thank God. Have you guys seen that clip of him talking about like being a lawyer, a criminal lawyer, where he slipped on the McDonald's floor? There's no way you guys haven't. So if I talk super fast, I could sound like XUC, right? So I don't think so. I really don't think I do though. I think my English is a bit better, and I think he's doing it for the clicks. But have you guys seen that clip? Bro, he's literally like 2 hours away from me. You shorted that, D? Good stuff, D. Good stuff. All right, we're waiting for that low though. Really unfortunate though. We got two good setups, but the two setups did not give us an entry. Really unfortunate, but typical Monday. Lots of setups, no good entry. I've noticed. The fuck. So I hope we go there. I really hope we go there. Let's see if Trump says anything new. Nothing new. Yeah, everyone can vote, bro. The more the better. One thing I'm worried about my investments though is that I am not diverse at all. Like my dividends are good. My dividends are good, but I'm getting taxed 50% by the government of the US. Let me see my dividends. Yeah, my dividends are really not bad. I got. I mean, I don't have a lot, but I got 13.5 bucks of dividends last quarter. It's not bad. It's really not bad. It's not a lot, but it's not bad. My investing mentor gets 4K of dividends a fucking month. It's insane. Literally insane. I have his whole sheet as well. I could literally just invest in the same thing as he does, but I would have a bad entry, but I could literally invest in the same thing as he does, put the same amount of money, which is a couple of millions. So I couldn't, but you know, it it's crazy what investing can do to you. Yeah, I mean the dude's a multi-millionaire, bro. I did not even think we had that where I live, because I live in such a small fucking town. I'll be back in literally 12 seconds. Because I live in a super small town, so you know I talked to him. He wanted to start doing Discord to to sell his sheet and like kind of guide people. I was like, I mean, you got to post on Instagram. How old is he? He's 37, 36 or 37s. He's retiring in 2 years. That is crazy. He's got no girlfriend. He's got a Supra though. But he's got no girlfriend. Just living. But yeah, no girl. Old enough to be my dad? I don't think so. My dad would be right now. If my dad, yeah, my dad would. I don't know how old it would be. He probably would be like 49. When you guys get old, you'll feel it, bro. The the older you get, the more time passes quickly, if that makes sense. Will just dipped, but I mean, market's kind of shitty right now. Um, 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 but yeah, I mean, he did the right choices. Well, if we don't get the sweep right here, there's no point, Kim, and there's no point, and it's better like that. At least you're up a dollar, bro. You're up a dollar more than you were yesterday. Think of it like that. So you gotta see it. So you gotta see it. That's not true. True, because you bought an account. Bro, Peter, nobody wants to be old. There's nobody older than, I think. Okay, so we got Peter. No, it's Peter. It's Peter, Hoodie, and SN, same age. It's me, Bash. No, sorry. It's Peter, Hoodie, and Grumpy, both 27. Lyosh is like 26. Then it's me. Then it's Bash. Then it's D and DK Man and Daniel. 28. Okay, shit. So it's Peter, Lyosh, Hoodie, and SN. Me. Then it's Bash, and then and then there's D that's 19, and Cayman and Daniel are 18. Lyosh is dead. I did everything I could possibly do at my young age. Yeah, bro, you partied, you did all your thing. I honestly I never partied. I'm not old, but I've never partied. I'm a complete nerd. I'm a complete nerd. I gotta say I'm a complete nerd. Mm, there's no shame. I'm a complete nerd. Gotta say it. I'm a nerd. I mean, she's a doctor. She like nerds as well. I'm just not the smart nerd, but I'm a nerd about what I do, if that makes sense. If that makes sense. Uh, yep. I told you. I told you. Bro, we delivered perfectly right here on all time on session high. Yeah, true. That's true. You're right about that one. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. Um, I just wish we could took full balance out on Top Step, bro. Shady ass. No, but like what your whole balance when you because when you get funded, when you get yeah, it's 50%. I just wish we could take like all of it. Like what the fuck are you edging me for? Yeah, yeah. SMT. Hold on, hold on. SMT, possible SMT. There's no well, yes, there's a bullish SMT here. There's a bullish SMT here, but look, we're plunging to that fucking low. A plus I time frame MVG touch sweep by BSL. What time frame? Here. Yeah, there could be another SMT right here that we possibly will make. Well, if there's going to be an SMT right here, it's NQ that's going to take it, and ES that's not going to take it. If that makes sense, you can kind of guess it, not guess it, but you can. Oops. You can kind of do some guesswork that which one's going to take it and blah blah blah. It looks like it's about to happen. It does look like it's about to happen. I hope we see it. Honestly, any news at 11? No news at 11. Bellman speaks. Bellman's moves the market sometimes at 210. He moves the market sometimes. Okay, SMT's about to be happening. Okay, SMT happened. Oh, if it keeps shitting, it's gonna be ass. Bang! Good shit. D'Anthony. D'Anthony the third. Rock. How much you? How much you make? How much you make? Okay, SMT's right there. We have a play. Plays right here. How was that not a Peter special though? It looked like it's Peter special for sure. Nvidia dipped. Volt just swept its own session. Well, so did S&P. Okay, we might be just shitting right here. We might just shit completely right here. That's a breakout trade. We might just fucking shit the bed right there. This is not valid anymore at 756. That's literally 25 points. Right here? Yeah, that's the short. That's the short that. Hey, that 3 minutes without a break even, Peter. Holy shit. Let's look at. Okay, we just. We'll see if we get a good. If we get a good. If we get a good you know what I mean? A good momentum here. Why not? Does look like a fake out though, but we get some good momentum. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Rip. So we could get that thing right here. Break even's gonna be right there. It's gonna be a tight break even because we just shit it so hard that it could just be a fake out. So it's gonna be a tight fucking break even. Look at the lower. Does look like a fake out right here, but if we get in this, tight break even. I'm looking at the volume right now. Nope. Hold on, hold on. These moments are the moments I wish we had James in the yes, it's macro right now. I wish we had James in the stream because James knows where liquidity is resting. No, no. James knows what he's doing. Okay. Could be seeing an inversion right here. Remember, tight stop loss to 755 if we inverse. Super tight because we just shit at the bed. Four seconds. Okay, we closed. Tight stop loss again. I'm not in this, by the way. I'm not in this, by the way, but if you're in, tight stop loss. I just hope it goes. Okay. If you're in, go break even if you're in. Go break even if you're in. We also hit the encroachment, the CE of that fair value gap, so go break even if you're in. And you're going to take partials at the highs at 275. It could be. I mean, it is. So partial is going to be right there. I'm just going to mark it out for you guys. But yeah, you went break even right there. It could be a break even. Yeah, it is a break even trade. I'm happy with the break even. I'm happy with the break even. This is a risky play. It could still hit, but I'm happy with the break even point. This is risky as hell. Might hit, but this is risky. So I'm happy with the break even point. Because you gotta understand, my model is 66% with break evens, but without break evens, 83. So I don't know what that correlates to, but probably like 70 or something. Uh, that Yo TR6, that was a great BE spot. That's what I do too. Yeah, we're connected, bro. We should kiss. Pause. 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 What the hell? Damn, it's 2025. Come on, boys. I'm just kidding. But yeah, uh, that's a break even, unfortunately. It might still hit, but I'm happy with the break even point because we just dumped so fucking high. It's gonna go. It's going. Yeah, that's it. This is gonna go, guys. Hold on. Yeah, I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry. I think this is gonna hit. I'm sorry for the break even, but I think this is gonna hit. This was a risky long though, but I do think it's gonna hit right there. Unfortunately, the volume's just there. That's my bad completely. Um, that's completely my bad, but I do think this is gonna hit. So if you're still in, you could be getting ready to take some partials right there. That's completely my fault, and I apologize. How did you mess up, Kim? And you clicked the wrong button, or the volume's there right now? The volume is definitely there. Do we have an SMT here? No SMTs. Oh, you lost? How did you lose, bro? What? There was no drawdown in that trade. Oh Lord. Well, I mean, okay, man, you're doing the beginner mistakes right now. It's all fine. It's completely fine. Okay, if you're still in, take break evens. Take break even. Take partials, sorry, if you're still in. But I could have been up. Yeah, you could, but hey, could have, should have, would have. At least now you've learned something. So take partials right here, boys, if you're still in. The next, leave a runner or two to this high right there. Uh, Now, guys, we're gonna have a caucus right here, like a meeting. If this hits, do I post this as a winning call out, or do I just say it was a break even? What do I do? Is this messed up, or what's up? What do I do with this if this wins? You guys, I think everyone got stopped out pretty much, unfortunately. But yeah, what do I do with this? We got BE, so I say it's BE. All right. So we'll see if that hits. Hopefully that hits. me see. Bro, YM is so uncorrelated. I know it works, but so uncorrelated. Yeah, yeah. Right now it's correlated, but most of the time it's so shitty. I have to agree, though. I agree. So partial points was good. Partial point was good because we're kind of resisting it right now. Partials was at unfortunate BE though. Partials was R2. That's R5.53. A W day though. W day for most people. Someone left. A W day for most people. All right. We'll see if that hits, and then I'm gonna get off, and I'm gonna do the trading recap. I'm gonna do everything, and then what are we, Monday? Yes, we're Monday. There you go. That's done. Looks like we're about to reverse here. Good, 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 good partial points right here. So yeah, I mean, W trade, unfortunate BE though. Really unfortunate. We could be tapping into that fair value gap and continue our course. And coming today, what do you mean? Oh. You see what it does whenever we hit that. If we do, see what it does, and if you see rejection, we have these highs. We have these highs. We have a bearish SMT on these highs right here. It's about to turn 11, boys. I think that's the longest. That's gonna be the longest I had been on stream. But we are in the setup, so I mean, most gonna stop that break even, unfortunately. Yeah, we're about session's about to close in about 2 minutes, boys. So if we go there, it's gonna be slow, unless Trump says something. Did you dead ass start school though? So session ends in about a minute 40. Unfortunate break even right here. Really unfortunate. Really, really. I mean, a good day, but unfortunate day. You know, we had that long that played out, but not A plus at all. That short that played out, but way too violently. Straight to TV, by the way. And then we have that long that short, sorry, and then that long that unfortunate break even. Aggressive BE again because we had just shitted so hard, and the manipulation on the longs are happen often. I rarely see. That's actually Daniel that made me notice that we rarely see any manipulation when we short, but when we long, it's different. How much did you make? Hey, good stuff, good stuff. All right, session's about to close in about 30 seconds right now. Let's see. Let's see, maybe we see a pump just before session closes. That would be FOMO into it. Vol's pumping, by the way. Vol, Meta, Tesla, everything's pumping. Bitcoin's pumping. Okay, session closes right there. We'll see if we get something right there. You see something? I've never noticed that before. Okay. Session close. We'll see. We'll let that setup play out, and whatever it does, I'm gonna get off afterwards. Jesus. You count for two of them. Yo, holy shit, my buddy. My buddy's cooking as well. Daniel's like the little devil on your shoulder. No, no, he shorted this right here. Let's see what happens. Now it's a matter of fucking when, but something's hitting, either the stop loss or the take profits. As a wise man said, it's either gonna hit your stop loss or your take profit. So okay, man, you did make $20 on that one trade though, right? It's $20 more than yesterday. What you get for fucking revenge trading. Jeez. It's like cheering for it. It's like cheering for a turtle fucking race right here. We're just chopping. What if I'm scared? Okay, Daniel, I'm on paper money. It's retarded. Uh, 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 uh. So what's the P&L for everyone? Let's all post our P&Ls in the P&L channel. Let's all post that in the P&L channel. It's all posted in the P&L. So I'll post our P&L in the P&L channel. Bash in the P&L channel. All right, boys. All right, boys. All right, boys. All right, boys. I think I'm gonna get off here. I think we're just gonna waste our time with that thing not moving. W stream for sure. Bit unfortunate with the executions, but W stream for sure. I'm happy with the stream, to be honest. Most people cook. Nobody's red. Nobody's red. So, yeah. I'm happy about this. So I will see you boys tomorrow again, same time. And tomorrow's gonna be another day, another good day. Yeah, yeah, but you don't trade that futures though, so it's completely fine. But yeah, I'm happy nobody's red. That trades with what we trade. So I will see you boys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys for being here. Trade recaps coming super soon. I'm trying to get on schedule right now, so I will see you boys tomorrow. and thank you for being here again. All right, see you boys.